Bauen 4.0 is a project of 22 companies and 5 research centers. Our goal is to develop innovative, efficient and flexible machines for smart construction sites. Therefore, we focus on 3 main topics. First, automated and connected mobile construction machines, processes and solutions for the digital construction site, and third, 5G connectivity for machines and the construction site.
"5G mobile private networks bring a huge potential for several vertical industries. In our research project here in the Lausitz, called Forschungsfeld Lausitz, we focus on 3 areas, namely flying, construction and driving. Today here in Hoyerswerda, I'm very happy to see all the positive results that 5G can bring to the construction industry.
For us, Bauen 4.0 is a great project to see what wide range of solutions and innovations 5G connectivity can bring to a construction site. With mobile private networks, the Internet of Things and network slicing, 5G brings a wide range of solutions to every industry. In our new Vodafone Tech Innovation Center Dresden, we bring our customers and partners the chance to develop these new solutions together in close cooperation with our network experts.